Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some rainbow pony beads, clear pony beads, and some of these big perler beads. You can, I found these at Meijer and some craft stores have them. You can go to perlerbeads.com. I know for sure they have them there. You're also going to need some key rings, and this is a lanyard hook and two pieces of string. I'll show you how to measure that later, but we're going to start with getting one key ring, and you're going to put on a clear bead, one of these big perler beads, and then another clear bead. Okay, now we're going to take another key ring and we're going to put it through this purple. We're going to put on a clear. We're going to put on a blue and then another clear. So that's what it looks like so far. We're going to go through the blue. Add a clear. Add a green. And then another clear. We're going to go through the green. You're going to add a clear, yellow, and clear. If you want, you can put them on one by one. I just think it's easier for me to try to put them all on at the same time. We're going to go through the yellow, add a clear, orange, and then clear. Go through the orange. We're going to add a clear, pink, and clear. Last one. And you can make this as long as you want. You would just repeat the pattern. Okay, and then on this end, we're going to put in between these beads, we're going to add this lanyard hook. To measure out the string, what I did was hold it this way and then double it up. And I gave myself a little leeway for tying. You need two pieces. So we're going to take the string and go through the clear bead. And we have both ends together. We're going to take a purple pony bead And then we're going to take a big perler bead. And then another pony bead. You're going to take both strings and go through that next clear bead. We're going to do blue, so I have a blue pony bead, a blue perler, and a blue pony bead. So that's going to be our pattern for all the colors. And you're going to go through the clear on each one. And if for some reason you can't find these beads, you could substitute them for like a star bead or a heart bead, or, you know, just get creative. We're going to put green. Go through the clear. Yellow. Go through the clear. We're going to do orange. And then we're going to go through. You know what, guys? We need to put on 2 clear beads on this last one. Still got the pink left. Okay. So pink. And at the end, instead of putting both strings through, we're just going to put one through. And then you're going to pull that. It doesn't have to be super tight. And then you're going to tie it. You cut that off. Okay, so we have one side done. Now we're going to flip this over, and we're going to take our other piece of string and go through the clear bead and repeat this on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. And remember, when you tie this side off, only one string will go through, and then you make your knot. So I think this measures around 7 inches. So if you need it to be longer, these come with black and white, so you could add a black and white or come up with your own pattern. And then to close it, you'll just latch it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.